I have prepared a set of workbooks that can be used along with the YouTube videos that I have uploaded on my YouTube channel, Writing Better. The first is Essentials of Academic Writing. This workbook is divided into two parts. Part 1 covers sentence structure and gives practice with writing compound sentences as well as complex sentences. Part 2 covers essay structure. This workbook can be used to practice writing the introduction paragraph, body paragraphs, as well as conclusion paragraphs. Here's a snapshot of Part 1, where there are worksheets to help you practice how to change a simple sentence into a compound sentence, as well as how to write complex sentences. In Part 2, there are worksheets to help you write an essay step by step. There is also a section at the end of the workbook for you to practice what you have learned. The second workbook covers types of essays, specifically advantages and disadvantages, as well as compare and contrast essays. These types of essays are often used in tests such as IELTS and TOEFL. Each type of essay gives you step-by-step instructions showing you how to write the different types of essays in each format. There's also a section with specific questions that you could use for more practice. After watching the videos on YouTube, I hope that you will find these workbooks helpful to improve your skills. Happy writing!